Mary. Do you remember me?
I am happy. I remember you. I am Nick.
I feel the same. We are back together.
Hello, I'm Darya Gennadievna. What is your name?
Hello, my name is Philip.
Nice to meet you, Philip.
Nice to meet you too, Darya Gennadievna.
Hi, my name is Mary. I can dance really well, but I can't swim.
Hi, I am Nick. I can play basketball, I can swim, and I can't ride a bike.
Hello, my name is Darya Gennadievna, and I can draw funny animals.
Hi, I am Philip. I can play soccer, and I can swim very well.
Hi, everybody. I remember your names. You are Mary, and you can dance. You are Nick, and you can swim. You are Philip, and you can play soccer very well. I'm happy we are back together.
Hello, I remember your name. You are Darya Gennadievna.
Hello. Nice to meet you, Darya Gennadievna. I am happy. Hello. I feel the same.
Can you dance, Mary?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
No, I can't.
Can you play basketball, Nick?
Yes, I can.
Can you ride a bike?
No, I can't.
Can you play soccer, Philip?
Yes, I can.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.